DJ Zala. Yes, I am. Mimia. Tabarakallah ya. Warma ya la labana upuba na kakuba na ni yasaya. Kabasara ni de Mimia. Yeah, you know what it is. Mimia. Ya pupa na maya. Okay. Nangba chene karapune. Tena ya kwe no shamyala. Tia ya puma kapaja bara na kankuturana na tetamna na. Tena mwala nguncha minaza hanyi vietitia. Kata labna tishin jeneta bosi nyanya. Tuntu pal alakaule shelton bama. Hafizu yaramia. Nusu katu habar pune. So kakbangmang de pune. Kasu pangmang pune kare nang ma. Halita na mamang ban na afana na pinamaza hagabada ya. Kata pangmang pune kare nang ma ya. Nguncha bara na kankuturana na tetamna na. Tena mwala ma kadari ya pune ya. Kata pakultum na ma. Kalab sir paba na gangsam ni jama. Ntruda ma de simsimu kangono ya. Tabarakallah. Okay. Bana masababi ya pune. Talatin puka paba pam. Number 1 star na mambala maya. And of course, yoma kabibe kantanga kanang kataraka baden chan program ma. Big up to you. We salute you. Okay. Alright. Chanya wula kati ya start the program magwa. Okay. Introduction man the task signals. What is gonna happen tonight on the show? But hold it there before I come around. Okay. Chaka warama ya love na titi ga ka bang na yulubo Muhammad Hafizu aka G-Face. Bina nyasi yang kepercayaan bitu kepisang karasu goble bomberle netwarle anam no hungar wari apu panati waso ya kasu palga karmala nyala kunyo togol okay chayati ga ka bang ndambala maya apia ayanga apansu stumnati waso biur goma chalma kashra na bisu fishifaya biam bia karapuni nidurgo sokto gobla alquran na kun faya kunu no zaso katabo kafre na kanala tabarakallah dilima ka goma ya dinye NTV North Television ambala ma dinye TV satin yal abalia and program yes, like I tell you always, okay, number 1 standard of the program. Trending kat gambi de bolia and kat lere biaga puni nyanya den chan kaman afanata kat talata na ya targa. And of course, Menasen Food Spices and Tapali Tomato Mix Lala Nyaka Institute of African Art and Technology, Kabi Arseketi Mapuni, ka program ka de kanama. Big ups to you out there, my sponsors. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. And whoever is doing the monitoring far and near, it is your number 1 standard of a presenter. And tonight on the show, okay, Jana Paul Dagbele Puikana Kananisilea. Chakantiga Akabano, okay, Nkubaga Kauli, most of the girl them, the beautiful girl them, they keep asking me, okay, that particular guy is playing his song, that guy is dropping his song. I mean, he's a very nice guy. When is he coming around? When is Yes, the cute guy is in the building, of course. I tell you no lie. When I promise you, of course I deliver. This time around, we take no joke, we take no lie. Nanki is in the building, Nanki is in the house. Yes, sire. Yes, sire. Yes, the No Devil Hitmaker is in the house, and we're talking a lot tonight. And of course, definitely, Nanki will passing through on the one-tone concert at the Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium. What are you waiting for? Right after here, right after this, we're moving straight to the stadium. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing the monitoring, whatever you are watching, as soon as you finish with this program, straight up, all road links to Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium. But before then, the guest man believe you know Dagbani kind, so we will talk English, we will talk Dagbani, we will talk Hausa, we will pidgin self, patois self, we will talk. Abi, you know, you understand? Me, I tell you no joke. You understand? All right. Menasin Food Spices come and yellow in a very quick one. Unquendela talent calabna. And the man that put yellow, you try drop you shall a couple and no devil. Let a particular young guy will drop a little. I mean, we are very blessed. We are very fortunate to have that young guy in the studio and privileged in Yellow. You know, he's coming from a record label that needs to be saluted. It is that Sultan A Corporation Music record label. The richest record label in GH and beyond. You know what I mean? And of course, the whole team is representing. So quickly, as I indicated earlier, I mean, I'm just going to take a commercial break. And when I return, Nanki is in the building. And we're talking about a new one. There's a new one that Nanki is dropping. I mean, it was dropped last night or a few days ago. There's a new one. Okay. I mean, you are blessed. You are blessed that Tamale is going to have the feel of the new jump today. We'll talk about that one. And the old one that was, I mean, a whole lot of songs, but No Devil seems to be making up waves here. We'll be talking about that one, ma. And Fancy Concert, definitely, Nanki is passing through tonight. And we're talking about that one, ma. There's a whole lot. I mean, even some people were telling me that he was in UK. He's not in Ghana. Yeah, it is true. When you argue that Nanki is in the UK, we agree with you. But he's here in the studio tonight. All right, I'm going to take a break. Menasin Food Spices, Lisi Tomato Mix, and of course, Institute of African Art and Technology. They are my kind. time sponsors. I'm always grateful to them. Thank you so much for always being with us. We're most grateful. Viewers across the world, far and near, I take you to this particular journey, and I tell you no lie. It is your number one standoff presenter, Mohammed Hafiz the Trender. I take a break. When I return, Nanki's in the building. We take a new devil. We taking a whole lot. I'll be right back after this.
Enang Namaraba Zankama Institute of African Art and Technology, IAT.
We are adding another what? Half an inch there. But we'll be joining it to the what? To the flare or the gathers down.
Ayat nyala shukuru shale anito kanati boham fashion design, graphic design, entrepreneurship. Fashion design wama ka dagbambi boli tailor shabo. Shabo wama nyala anito zan chira yobo mboham shale. Chira yob sun wama de nyala din yam boham slimis boli ben shakna pattern drafting. Din nyanga karana ngwa freehand cutting. Ai be mianto ni chira yob wama pala din to nang tabata ka zan boham shabo. Shukuru bihma shab yelia da mama na rakana za hadi tabla kane. Chira yusun sunu ka babana kama bum boham de shelma. Chira yo mata pare banyala ban to bam dabdalia na pabdalia shabo yunjinga shablam diana karnyala amfu malbang sem de la zang pa champulu kabwa na rabah jolsa danyala akala SHS certificate kabwa na chanla university anto kana shukurungo karwa kata shahara bang shel de no to zanga chahe university pune Ayat shukurungo nyala dum fu mal majina kay ku lehre ti video ma anya kam majina nim ku ji classrooms ma pune de pala yan kam na ka jitela na ayi an ku canadien pila tela ta ka shi halle in to kule ama adna pala yan ji shel kule tela ngoma nyanga den ta ma sandama pinky shears tracing wheel tape measure sim ripper labin chacha ngoma nyala bin yan ta ban shaka zan bu han shamma haltinari ay to kuna da nyala dane.
I'm Betty and a student of IAT. One of the most interesting thing I find here is that we've been given all the tools needed for our fashion learning. Like we have been given industrial machines, so you don't have to carry your machine from home. We have all the available staffs, and also our facilitators are so good. They behave so well with us, so we find the place very conducive for learning, and I want to encourage everybody who has the passion to learn such a thing of fashion to come to IAT.
From a Brewer, maybe IAT every year inquiries 2 months ago for fashion program. Catcher me say within 6 months, meet me up and money me me would you say because means an sonnet day, na meet me pam a day ye pam.
Shukuru ma anto lihlake no oi katarmbo shukuru mbala tombo nan bansa ka ban ayat shukuru fis nyala den nan afwa kay ba na bo han le kana kayiko anto kana teboge chira yob ma sunsuni ka boro de la halle entanage shukuru nyala den beji sona yile kay ko kanvel palle mpana kin David Jensen ay malagala de bela jiso plaza ansaha tamin mana balan wa amilan qala gurgo palle ngo jisana Jensen ma ka le yang malaga ti tangal me nyala den pa screen mazo sa shel kam ka ibol ayat office benyala band sata ka min ba fo hayo Kamna Ayat until they get sharp bangsam. Ayat Center of Excellence. Excellence. Excellence.
Só pensei o bicho em conheda. Só pensei o bicho em conheda. Só pensei o dolo funye naisa. Só pensei o agu com conheda. Só pensei o clube de filia. Só pensei o mandi de filia. O costume sindi de filia.
FDA aji edwedie kratwo yi atomu.
Alright, yeah, okay, the guy's back with a different swag. You know what I mean? Yeah, in the beginning, man, they gave me a half swag. So I wasn't styling okay. This time around, you can see the swag with the costly spectacles. Yeah, bought from Abuchi on the street. Very costly. And of course, A very grateful one day. My sponsors, Medicine Food Spices, Listen Tomato Mix, and of course, Institute of African Art and Technology, and my production team, Abigail MFO behind the cameras. Ahmed is in the MCR, Shahid is inside Accra, MCR, and the production team is headed by One Africa Watson, General Manager Mr. Enoch. Okay, the whole house is ready. Tamale is ready. Boga is ready. Why is ready? Then China is up now. All right, Nanki is in the building. Big ups to you, Nanki man. The Nankis. I mean, how do you address your fans?
We're not settled with the name yet.
Or for call them Nankis.
You know,
As you Nanki and your fans, oh, they be Nankis, you know. But that Nanki himself, it be some style name. What be the meaning?
effective contributor.
It be English word?
No, me honestly I don't know. I don't know. I just for example I say no, I will use there for no them.
Okay.
So I Google way as say effective contributor. It makes sense to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I started using.
Wait, like the name they suit you, Ankasa. It is sweet you.
Yeah.
How do you feel like when people address you like the cute artist?
I don't know, Marcus. We've been having that since way back.
So how are you going to manage the ladies around you?
Ladies, I love them. I love them, so I always want them around me.
So you don't feel bothered, you don't feel disturbed?
No, at all. I'm always cool. Like, you know, it's a great blessing for you to have ladies around you, especially when you are introduced to our industry.
Okay.
Yeah, you need them. Most def, you need them.
You are in Tamale, okay. You are in Tamale today, okay.
Okay. So the guys will link up.
Yeah, of course, they will link up. Make no worry. You yourself, you go tire. I make ask you this one. This one they do the camera.
Okay.
Like, what be your taste?
You say you know the camera. We the camera. We on TV, bro. I don't have taste, bro. Like, no, yeah.
Anything.
I just go with the vibe. If the vibe is smooth, we're good.
Okay. Charlie, have you here? We don't get taste.
Yeah.
Anything edible within inside.
Women do the same life, so we don't discriminate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any package, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, then that's nice.
We're down for whatever.
Okay, let's take it from the beginning. I mean, your first time in Tamale? First time?
No, that's the second time actually.
Second time? The first one was?
I just came here. Came here with friends to, witness some award show or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was my first time, I think 2015, 2016.
Yeah. I mean, and you simple connect easily. It feels like home.
Yeah, I mean, this is my home, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my home. So, I mean, Charlie, we fulfill this thing. Yeah,
okay.
the feeling for day, because Charlie, my people are like here, they're from.
Yeah, of course.
So the vibe and everything, they want people to make ready for me.
Of course.
I make ready for them.
Okay.
So,
all right. We'll go into that one, man. I mean, so many people are expecting you tonight.
Yeah.
And of course, I know you can't even wait to have them here. And so many people were telling me that you are in UK, you are in UK. I'm sure they have videos of you when you went to UK.
Yeah.
I mean, what was it about? It was the Ghana Music Awards.
Ghana Music Awards UK.
Okay.
I was nominated and I had
Okay.
to go participate,
Which category?
Uncovered artist.
Uncovered artist.
Yeah,
Okay.
uncovered
How did it go?
I was smooth. I had
Okay.
a chance to perform, so.
Oh, okay.
It was cool, yes.
Okay. Apart from being a nominee, you perform again.
Yeah, I performed.
And how was the response like?
Dope. I mean, I wasn't even expecting that much.
Okay.
Love from people, but it was cool. It was smooth.
Wow. Nice one.
Yeah.
I mean, and before the UK awards, I mean, again, you were in the VGMAs, I mean, and it was crazy.
Yeah.
Which category was it?
Unsung artist. And I
Unsung
won.
artist.
Unsung
Oh, that
artist.
one you think I'm
Yeah, I think
Fala.
Fala. I no break.
Oh, Charlie.
Unsung artist of the year. So the whole
Okay.
Ghana, if you meet the unsung artist. of the year.
Okay.
Yeah.
By your own, it seems it came with a different flair.
As in-
Not the usual unsung artist, because even the way you guys appeared them, it was like you won the artist of the year.
The branding is too much. Sultan magic, you understand? Yeah, so the brand talks a lot.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's crazy. And you working with Sultan, I mean, this is a guy that is, I mean, he's ready for anything.
Yo, big blessing. Shouts to Allah Sultan Nero, man. Big blessing. I mean, everybody would like to work with him, right?
Sure.
And so I'm being blessed, I'm being honored to work with him. And I promise him he's never going to be disappointed. I'm going to make him proud, inshallah.
Okay. I mean, people, I've seen him work. I mean, his relationship with Fancy had made us all, I mean, see who he is, what he's doing.
Yeah.
And he seems to look like a military man, like a soldier.
Yeah.
He's a go-getter. This is what I
Charlie,
want.
yeah, this is it. This is it. This
No,
is what
let's
we want
get
to
it.
do,
No
like,
explanation, no
yeah.
excuse.
No going back, man. It's always like this, like this, like this. It's
Is
never-
it difficult?
No.
Like, sometimes you might want to sleep. You might want to. I mean,
No. I mean, definitely the job has to be done. You
Yeah.
have to do the job. And then he has to, like, he mostly gives you more time to rest.
okay.
That's how it is. Like, I mean, he gives no stress. I mean, he's like, do whatever. Okay, you're tired, right? Go sleep a bit. Charlie, go sleep. Do this. So there's no stress, no pressure. You just do your thing.
Before we go into, I mean, your shows and other stuffs, let's look at your projects. I mean, the songs that you drop.
Yeah.
I mean, roughly, just give me a few of the songs that you drop.
This the 12th one, right?
Okay.
I think I had 11 songs out already.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it seems to look like every song comes with a video.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, back to back. From my the first song was released with Sarkodie,
Yeah.
Favor.
Okay.
It came with a visual, and the
Yeah.
second one was Lady, I think.
Okay.
Lady came with the visual, and the third one was with Medical, right?
Medical. And you get another one with Promise.
Medical came before after the EP. So after the two, we dropped an EP,
Okay.
which all came with
Videos.
a visual. Yeah. So.
And your video, someone was telling me that you've never shot a video in Ghana.
Oh, shot in Ghana. I think
All the
the
videos?
recent one. This particular one was the only one we shot in the UK.
Just this one that we're
that's
talking
the
about now.
recent one.
Okay,
Like,
they give them.
They give them.
Okay.
I shot it.
But the No Devil was shot in Ghana.
Yeah.
Okay, someone was telling me you were shot in South Africa.
Yeah, no, Ghana. Yeah, you see the vibe and everything.
Yeah. I mean,
Environment.
okay. It seems a whole lot has changed. I mean, your team, it is full of
They are
creative
not
guys.
playing, bro.
Yeah.
Alaji is not playing. He's
Not
not
at
here
all.
to play, bro. Charlie, magic shouldn't be that. I don't
Yeah.
like this. I want you to do this, and then after you do that, you see why he told you to do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean he has foresight.
Maybe that spiritual guy.
Yeah.
So how he suspects the guy.
Some angel be.
He small God. If like he did my area, we go worship him.
I swear.
So. All right. Now let's look at the tracks one by one. Let's look at
Okay.
No Devil. I mean,
Okay.
it seems that particular song, it happens to be for us.
Yeah, I know, right?
Here, down here.
Yeah.
I mean, it is everywhere on radio. It is in the club. It is in. I mean, everywhere. They singing, the banging
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
Devil.
Yeah.
What about that song?
Well, obviously I've been doing this sweet boy things just
Okay.
for the girls.
Okay.
And so I just decided to motivate us all with the No Devil tune.
Mhm.
And that's how it happened.
Okay.
Beat came and then I was like, yo, this one sounds like an inspirational song.
Yeah.
So I just have to do something bumping for people to,
Yeah, okay.
That's how it happened.
Wow.
And
And
I-
it seems to be making.
Yeah, I'm
magic.
grateful you loved it, man. It's
Yeah,
crazy.
we are loving it. I mean,
Yeah.
everybody is loving that particular
Yeah,
song
I heard
around.
it's making waves.
Yeah, of course it is. You will feel the
Thank
vibe tonight
you.
on the show.
I know.
Let's look about this time around. Okay, let's tell that one. I mean, GH Music.
Okay.
Some people are saying that it is not fair. I mean, looking at the project that you guys are doing. I mean, you are dropping songs, you are dropping visuals.
Yeah.
I mean, crazy visuals. I mean, and people still believe that sometimes you got to belong to certain class of artists
Mhm.
before they would give you that time, before they would give you that attention. Does it happen?
No, it does not work that way.
Okay.
I believe in time and season.
Okay. Okay.
So I think maybe the time is not yet right. And I'm even blessed because looking at how I started, I mean, I've been making progress
Yeah.
back to back. you
Of course,
understand?
yeah.
Some people didn't have it like that.
Yeah.
Didn't get it like that. Sorry. And so it's about time and season. And I think it's almost time for us.
Okay.
And when you do your things right, definitely everything will make sense.
Okay.
And obviously, I have a routine.
Of course.
Yeah, so everything is making sense.
Yeah.
Gradually. Yeah, we're on the low. We're coming.
Okay. Okay. So you watch out. Put your eyes on the road
Yeah.
wherever you are. And nothing goes on. No barrier will stop.
Yeah,
us.
so there's nothing like you have to join a couple of people or maybe
Okay.
a crew before you can be. No, you
Yeah.
can't. No.
Just do your thing.
You
your
can
own
be
way.
in your lane doing your own thing, and then everybody will hear about you, bro.
Okay.
It's just time and season.
You've been afar from here. I mean, the north here.
Yeah.
How do you see the northern music here, the industry here?
Yo, let me talk about the support first.
Okay.
Hey,
Mhm.
the support you've been giving your artists here is crazy. I mean, yo, thumbs up, man. God bless you, Charlie. Hey,
Okay.
crazy. I love the support.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes I always say, actually, I don't know how pure. Yeah, but I mean, all the same, it's good. It's
You dey envy that move, eh?
Yeah, Charlie. I dey feel that vibe. The support be crazy. We're gonna keep on. It's so Charlie. Right now, I be like, now if it be like country on its own.
Yeah.
We had love that vibe. I mean, if you blow for a year, like people wait and they if they blow for years, that'd be cool. If they don't enter some places, that'd be cool. Yeah, you see, that's for enter some place. That one.
Yeah, of course.
Something.
Since we Ghana.
So we shall like go up. When it comes to the music too, I like the fact that they always try to portray something. I mean, talk about their roots and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, I love that thing. I love that thing. And I don't mind, getting featured on a couple of songs.
So many people were asking me if you are available for a feature.
I'm super available.
Okay.
This is my home. I beg, use me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the artists around, I mean, those who were calling me if I could get through with Nanki, if I can get, I mean, some 2-3 lines from Nanki on my song. The guy is around and he's very available. He isn't that heavy. Sometimes the scary of, I mean, your management.
Yeah. That one
feel like you are unpayable.
You see, that one, it's natural. I mean, the work, but you just have to be brave enough to come because Alaji is for the people.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so when you come, sometimes it's not about money, it's about the way you vibe and everything. So it's cool. I'm here, Charlie, use me. I beg you.
All right.
This is my home.
The guy's home now, so whoever is around and you want to do a line or two with Nanki, he's around. I mean, just come around and choose your words very well. If you select your words very well, you know how to talk. Your stomach there, you go full of.
Yes, the song be bad.
Okay, yes. Let's talk about you recordings. I mean, your engineers.
Yeah.
You seems not to be recording with one, or you have one.
No, actually, but now I think I've been working a couple of times with one particular producer, which is my friend way back.
Oh, okay.
Plus, and I think this is his first song we're releasing. They give them. Oh, okay. But I've been working with producers. I mean, I work with random producers. Everybody. From Q-Beats, Gazi, Mac Mix, that's my boss.
Yeah.
Show, Street Beats, Kewa, you can name them, all of them, nobody.
Possible you're working with one artist?
Yeah, he's been mixing most of our songs, him and Kewa.
Okay.
Yeah, they are behind the magic mix.
Sure. Oh, okay. Let's focus on No Devil. Which area was it shot at?
Community 4, Tema.
Tema?
Yeah.
Tema Ankasa.
Tema Ankasa.
Oh, Charlie, but you
know. Community 4.
So back at your garden, you just come on
Charlie.
Well, you make the thing look like in Johannesburg.
Them get that feel already. The environment they already the graffitis and everything they already. So with some small setup we just add up.
Yeah.
We just.
Let's look at the concept in that video. I mean, there seems to be a drama.
Yeah.
There seems to be some kind of a content that you're trying to. What are you trying to portray?
That's a hard guy. Actually, that's how I am normally. So a hard guy who has no.
Are you the hard guy?
I'll be super hard. You see me more like that. I'll be hard guy.
You sure?
Yeah. Is this it? Ask me, I'm sure. And they look more. I don't know.
They look like someone.
I don't even want so some hard guy where they do whatever they like. You know, they fear anything. You know?
Okay.
And if you watch, I go collect somebody and get some.
You go be macho guy.
Okay.
Oh, you the vibe.
Oh yeah, I have to beat down for the last ending. I beat down, so that be hard day. And they take things by force.
Oh, okay.
Where the girl to go film me, so definitely if I go back, and I take.
Really difficult. Yes. I mean, far and near, wherever you're picking up the stick or wherever you're watching tonight on the channel, we on one-on-one with Nanki. I mean, representing large and in charge, straight out there. Sultan A Corporation artist is here. I mean, and you know it. We've been dropping, we've been playing. No Devil. I mean, and it's crazy. It's crazy. The young guy is here. I mean, and he's ready for you guys, wherever you are, and you just want to take a pic. You just want to take a call, you just want to, I mean, anything you want to do, he's that easy, he isn't that heavy. I mean, that I should tell you that even if you are an artist, if you are an engineer, if you have a photo studio, if you have a radio station, TV station, whatever you want to do, and you want to get him on, he's very available to link up. I mean, he's that simple guy, though very rough, I mean, he's very tough, but he's very simple guy. And the ladies too, the taste that they take anything for good, is available. So that one, if you can link up, you can do yourself. Yes, we're still on. I mean, I don't know which one you pick before we, I mean, just give us another, okay, then No Devil, let's go. Just give me free flow. Before we take a break and we take the video, we come back and talk stuff, then we move on.
Only good vibes and white paper.
I love that.
That is all we know, get.
Straight. Okay.
I know this like me no so bad.
Easy.
All my life is for nobody.
Oh.
Can't you see you can't relate? Oh.
Oh.
I go stand whatever.
Easy.
Whoever.
You know what we're talking about? Hey, what do you eat?
I eat everything you eat. Whatever it is, I eat.
I just say you don't eat dessert like.
I dey eat.
Eh.
But I know my favorite. I dey eat.
That can eat in fruits. Like
everything. You dey try put me for some corner. Everything I dey tell was me.
I remember we can't go through some food.
Yeah, you see.
We dey inside.
Oh yeah.
Someone go hear your voice and feel like, this guy.
You know the talk some things. Bibia. Fufu serve my favorite.
Okay, yes, I'm just going to hold you there and we'll take a break. I mean, we're going to play the music video.
Sure.
No Devil. We're dropping No Devil again for the benefit of those who don't even know what we're talking about. We're dropping that video. I mean, and we'll come back and talk on the social media handles. We'll talk about a whole lot. There's still a whole lot to talk about. I mean, I tell you, Nanki is passing through tonight on Fancy Show and we all representing large and in charge. Just don't do yourself. Make no do your eye. Way after the program, you dey go call people, you dey go ask people, send me video. How did the show go? If you don't do yourself, the rate is a cool 50 Ghana Cedi VIP, 30 Ghana Cedi is the regular time. The show has already started, no doubt about that. And every artist you heard of, every artist you know is coming through. And you know what I'll do. I will get to the stadium. Okay, we take a music video break. When we return, we talk more about Nanki, we talk more about Fancy, and we roll it up. Then Channel 1 TV. All right. Saya. Straight up, we're back in the studio. You're watching the Channel on NTV, and wherever you're picking up the signal, being it in Boga, being it in Wa, the Savannah region, the Northeast region, Greater Accra region, wherever you are, even across Ghana in the diaspora, you're watching the Channel on NTV with your #1 stunner, with a presenter, the trender, Mim here. Yes, Saya. That's what we're talking about. And tonight on the show, one-on-one, we engage in one of the lyrical superstar, the talented melody artist in Ghana. Call him Nanki, straight outer, Sultan Incorporation Music Record Label. You know what I mean? Okay. Papa to come. You know come. Okay, wait. Small time go come. I mean, you know, and of course, let me just remind you, wherever you are, Lolo come Kaibi. You want to push this? I mean, the fancy goddamn one don, man. Concert man, you know, right about now, the show has just get started. Okay, Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium. Nima ne kateza hakunia. Rates man, you know, 50 Ghana Cedi. Ka popular star no atem money and Bishop Oluma. Karinye 30 Ghana Cedi ya. Ninchaka abang ne come and anytime. Fancy can come on stage. So wherever you are, make sure that you only hitting the road to the Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium. And I tell you know that okay, wherever you picking up the signal tonight, Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium is the venue, is the location. That's where we are jamming tonight. It is the one done concert put together by Fancy Goddam. Yes, hiya. I mean, the nice ladies, them, the big guys, them. Everybody is gonna hit in that place up, man. So make sure you join us, have fun, feel the vibe, get related. I mean. And that's what makes life important. You see, if you laugh, if you enjoy your life, you go far. But if you did the thing, say tomorrow be like a judgment day, tomorrow will be that kind of thing. No, you make man go grow fast. You don't get asking for your face. You see how Nanki bright. The vibe. Okay. Yes, we're back in the studio and Nanki is still around. Nanki, the new one. I mean, Tamale is very fortunate. Tamale is very fortunate that, I mean, that's a payback for us.
Yeah.
See, the way we did No Devil, no.
Yeah.
You're dropping a new one.
Keep them.
And fortunately for us, you're dropping it and you are here.
Exclusive.
Possible, you will be the first people to see that song perform on stage.
Sure.
Wow. Thank you. Oh,
welcome.
Congratulations to you. We have just won an award. Thank you for what we give them on stage tonight. Yes. Okay, let's talk about the performance tonight. I mean, your preparation.
Well, I'm always prepared.
Okay. Like a soldier.
Yeah, and I enjoy performing, so definitely it's going to be great, man. I'm going to have fun.
Okay.
This is my first time actually performing here.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm going to have fun.
Wow.
Going to have fun. I hope you guys. No, I don't hope. You're definitely going to have fun.
No, of course.
Yeah, for real.
So you guys need to connect. You guys need to come around. Hey, the girl, them, where you there? We will do one like that. We will do one like that. Yes, your relationship with Fancy. I mean, Fancy.
Yeah, my brother be that. My brother be that. Hey, we be cook. As I come there, we do things before I go.
Of course, of course. We anticipate something possible. We got a jump with you too.
Definitely. Jams, actually, yeah.
Plenty could happen.
Plenty.
Oh, okay.
Do jams.
Oh, okay, okay.
Brother, they might give him to my mind days.
Oh, then we did with that. We did with that. Yes. So keep your eyes on the road. Another one might just come to Nanki with Fancy jamming on one beat. Okay, we are expecting that one, of course. Okay, let's go into your social media handles. I mean, your socials. So, people want to connect. People want to relate.
Yeah. So my Facebook, no. Facebook is just Nanki. Nanky. And my Twitter and Instagram is I am Nanky, IAMNANKY. Okay. And my YouTube channel is very, very important to me.
Very, very.
Which is Official Nanky.
Okay.
Official Nanky. Subscribe, be the first to vibe whenever I post.
Very well.
God bless you. Follow the boy.
All songs on Audio Mark. I mean,
yeah, the songs are everywhere.
Okay.
Like on all the guitar platforms.
Okay.
So you can have just type Nanky. Everything about Nanky will come. Every song you want to hear will come. And then I bet you will love everything. Show them. So down.
Okay, we don't
no
play.
bad songs.
You hear that? You hear that? We don't play. We don't play at all. Okay. All right. Another one before we go. Just before we go. Let's go back to Accra. I mean, let's go back to your collaborations. I mean, you've done a whole lot with artists.
No, I think three.
Three.
When
Sarkodie
first.
Okay.
Medical.
Okay.
Kim Promise.
Kim Promise. That's just a three.
Yeah.
But it seems so many people want to work with you.
Yeah, obviously, because I mean, I have a good team. And
okay.
Like to, so yeah, we're working with people. Okay. But for now, I'm focusing on myself. You know, pushing the sound for people to know me more.
Very well.
I shape the sound and everything before we can get back to the feature thing.
Okay.
Yeah, big features coming.
Okay.
Soon. Yeah.
Very well, very well. So keep your eyes on the road.
Yeah,
Nanky is available. Yes, and that I should remind you that whoever you are, I mean an artist, I mean radio presenter, a DJ, and you just want to vibe around, you just want to relate, you can come to, I mean, you can link up with me, you can check his, I mean, his socials are very alert. Anything you say, I mean, there's someone to connect you with Nanky, and you can relate, and we see what will move forward. All right. Yes. Okay. Just we signing out. I don't know. Is there anything you want to add up?
No, I just want to say thank you to the fans for the love and support.
Okay.
I'm really grateful, and I wouldn't have been here without you.
Okay.
Keep the love and support.
Very well.
Stand still, something like this. So I'm here to play, man.
A little bit of Hausa or Chi. I mean, my people in the Upper East region, the Upper West region, I mean, the Zongo community around here, definitely they want to listen to their superstar. I mean, just 2-3 words in Hausa or Chi. Or you go speak the Bani song.
Yo, hey, Mutanina, boy, Kuni Nanky, na Mukudia, the Garida, Soy and the Cook of what I mean. Madam was Sibibri. Supporting the boy.
Okay, that's good. So you go speak some small Dagbani.
So, Kaula. Oh, I don't want to be our. I don't want to be our.
But Dagbani, you go here.
Good. No, I get some 3, but I forget 2.
As you get here, no, you go get.
I will get like 10, then take go.
Or we go get you some Dagbumba here.
You see that thing?
See, if you have Dagbumba here, oh, you self, you don't go learn Dagbani.
You go come.
You go come. You go make you vex like you want to talk you from the Dagbani. All right. Yes. Thank you so much for coming. I mean, we are most grateful having you. It's a privilege having a superstar like you, and you have blessed our studio tonight, and we're most grateful. And once again, collect artists, collect presenters. I mean, artists. You can relate very well. I mean, this guy. Forget about the big brand. He's down to earth, and the CEO himself is another guy who always want to support. I mean, especially people that are behind him, so you can relate. I mean, and we pick up the stuff.
Let go, let go, man.
You believe. I mean, and the whole team representing. I mean, you came with the whole team.
Yeah,
can you mention them to me? I mean, the whole team is in Tamale.
Mario Mook, I've got Badman, okay. I've got some of Bossman, Shatabella, my D, and my Shata Franco.
Okay.
To the world, we brought the whole Tema.
Hey, Tema is in Tamale now. Okay. That be the challenge now. Tema is in Tamale now.
Tema.
We go worry you people.
Oh no, when I go with it.
Oh, You throw challenge.
We small, but
okay.
you know, just
okay.
come or you make them red.
You wait this. You wait this.
Fitness.
Oh, look, no worry, we are now. Thank you so much for coming. Whoever is with the monitoring fire here, we're most grateful. Thank you so much. Commander Punyela ma Nanki, o video, o yila no yeto akati ku yarma. Didn't you know therefore ma? I mean, he's this. I mean, down to earth artist, and he's a very talented guy. I mean, lyrically, I mean, efforting musically, the guy is there, and he's coming from a record level that means so much to us. That's Sultan Incorporation. Alaji Nero, look we Alaji Nero, ma Jarlan ma. Come you here to Amba. It's not about drinking kubi. It's not about drinking water. This particular young guy needs us as we need him. He has already done it for us. I mean, the whole northern region. Tamaza Haltina Lam took to you Nero Sama. You can pay Nero back. What I say, so big ups to you, Nero, and whatever he's presenting, definitely we need to support. I mean, crazy, we just need to support it. Thank you so much, Nero. Thank you so much. The whole tema, we big up. In the sense of fortune, I got to put this across. So a few weeks ago, we lost our mom. I mean, and it was sad. It was a very sad moment. It was even unfortunate times that, I mean, Nanki and the whole team, they were in the UK. I mean, I was very sure that they were not even supposed to come because Nero was saying that they got a whole lot to project, they got a whole lot to do in UK before coming. But God knows best. I mean, we lost our mother, who we love so much, and we still pray that may he be with peace with Allah. And we pray, just as we love him, Allah love her most, and he has picked her away. And we still pray that she will definitely be in peace with Allah. And whoever she has left back, the family, I mean the children, everybody, we pray that may God be with us all. Thank you so much. And the whole of Tama, we're most grateful. The other time that you people came and supported in the funeral, in the burial, everything. Thank you so much. Your reward is in heaven. Your reward is with God. Thank you so much. All right, we're just turning the cameras around. We say goodbye to Nanki. I'm still here. 2-3 words then before we move out. And we got up to the stadium. Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Stadium.
Keep streaming my music, please.
Okay, you keep streaming.
And the new
Nanki
one is
everywhere.
out.
And the new one is there. New one is there. Definitely the new one. The video is just not ready.
Yeah,
the video is not ready. But I'm sure when the video is ready, straight, it is gonna be here. Just like the new devil is here. Yeah, me, ane saya. I love swag. Swag. We don't go on kwabu chisanga dada the jam them don't cause halka ma okay. Alright, Nea Saya Tabarakallah Talahi, Yampuka Papaman Kuno Yadasanti Enti Fuma, Yomakabe Kantanga, Abuambono, Agbambono, Nana Barkana, Apibu Punia, Kamani Puyarasa Hashel Kamayati, Yaka Barga Jirpangaway, Ubaya Dapunoya, Nana Barkana, Yinambambe Yoman Kantan Kalere Enti for Tinchan program, Ibarakat Yuria, Yinamkat Malmir, the Soka sponsors Makabi program, Talahi, Tumpuka Paba Pamia, Kapuka Paaba, and of course, Lati Maka Bang the Tinshi Tapsel, what Tinshi Sahel, Yomaka Baby Kantanga, Bangma Manka Sol comes and Hakula Yapulu, Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium, Yumonyela particular concert Maya, then the one tone concert, one tone Ahmed Mujahid, Billu, aka Fas Kadam, the super ruler, one tone concert ma, Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium, ya, Niyarawo, Solma Dumpumia, Pama Manka Tanchen, the Mafansi Punyala. 12:30 to 1 a.m. when you're on your top stage, and Jenna to be following Kafansa Kadam Pundiam. Amina Anna Ayabo. Okay, to Bonimani, I can love the studio Mapuni, and teacher Kaban Commander Punyala from the beginning, yet double track system Kaya Noya, Nanki, Unayala Munka, Umangurana Pika Paka Pulia, and another superstar is in the Bolden Straight Outer. Yaba Polomaka, Wadlamako, Pupanaya, Kabagami on the stones he won. Mimia. Ko yina mama record label because mama team Mbubu Yabamaya didn't your team trending based inside Yakabako Bore. Okay, big ups to you. So Banguna, Andre Simpson in the near Kana interview mark and Chabin Min National Anthem, Kazan Castelituba. There was Nimani Alama Banner representative team Karamari Yapa, but superstar Kanama, Aban's own program in Belamaya. And of course, Stones in Yellow drop a yield, couple of Yilaman Satama, got a feature one, yes, Rusty Yellow no Pula Yilama Punia. I mean, a love song by Austin, the very beautiful Kabama video, Telekariaman Bukata, Netaka Yoman Kantanga Kabana video, and Fania, Kayeli, Salam Fajare, the Kutunan Castozi Kantan Camino Katapoha Yuritavia, Amiga Kuna Fana, Kayeli studio Mapuni, Bahomo, Kamidi Pre, Katinya just to share them Bianuria. Stones is in the Bolden, Stones.
Yes, sire.
Hey, Daddy, superstar. Sire. So when Alafia Belia, Yinuma Zanyola. So comes our Alafia. Mbo, yeah. Sashil comes a hammer born in your day in China Yaba. Come on, Nichana Beneti and no sheep.
Oh, wait, to be don't go in combat.
Aba.
Yeah.
Yarwaza Habula, I mean, trending bees, my Yarwaza, so Kabula.
Yeah, big house to them, but support her.
Very well. Very well. Very well. Okay, that's okay. So briefly, Chakatana Kubanga Fayanga. I mean, Nero Pampumia, it is Stonesy, one man. Are you man in Yala? Safian. Oh, okay. Apu Sofiano. Are you man like I say him like about you? Adam. Ibn Apu Sofiano. You remember? I will learn Laka Bunda. Ibn Abu Sofiano. Adam. Adam. Ibn Abu Sofiano. To Laka Bunda. I don't know what Karamaya or you shout. Nice one. I mean, yeah, but like Tauma, I mean, side and Kaina.
Zungu Kaina.
Zungu. Oh, okay. You want to get Yarama again? Okay, let's look at your music journey. I mean, I started roughly only Kamazon, Yumala, Dabala, Chirala, Uncle Derama, Uncle started.
Alright, roughly 1.5 years ago.
1.5 years. Within 1.5 years, I put me, you'll show me about 8 or 9 years. I put record a mastered song. Can we say how many waves around La Place?
Overseas singer what?
La?
They don't go shopping.
Baby,
she didn't link up.
La Casa.
Oh,
Belanye.
La Bunyele.
Overseas bazaar.
Overseas.
This have a gas.
Fans want to call people and overseas ruler.
Oh, Laga Woda. I buy Yarma Benu.
Aye.
My Yarma Benu. Engage with Shop Pumpy. Oh, maybe Zahan Nave. Okay. Yes, so I am about shoes. I shoes. I mean, I'm a cashew. I don't have any yapam.
Big house to King one. Or support because Trachina approach you.
Okay.
You don't visual as a channel.
Wow.
So big house to King or
and it was nice.
Could be like crazy.
Wow.
But Trano floating pay. You got it was
but apart from last shoe, I'm a shoe.
Kaji, Imiero Varaku Marala, Stonesy, Vapuniruni, Stonesy XD, Stonesy X that. No, Kati, no. The Buton Mashapi overseas Kajala.
No.
Katra, Lavana, the American live concert.
Okay.
Pali.
Another one. Karadano crazy.
Oh, okay. Mad.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Alright, that's nice one. I mean, I mean, you have a team or you have a manager. Be come on, I'm a man because especially music video, concert, a whole lot. I'm a machine, but I'm supporters.
Bakunya team in Yakaba, they are more or less brothers in Kunya.
Okay.
Friends in Nakunya Katichana together, Kawabula team we the best. So big house to them.
We the best.
Okay,
very well. Okay.
Yeah, I salute them.
Big up.
Yeah, man.
Okay. But I have Gobiala Nimani.
Oh,
okay. Alright, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. And let's look at you shall Andrew Presuma. Deepa shall tell Lavana and to find some 2 or 3 around you. Need one about you, ma. But you shall drop Presuma, title man, Satama, Satama. Love song when you're
love song.
Paka Balendama.
Oh,
so young.
Aye,
oh, check out.
Oh, the nanny.
No, Pauna, Baruku, check out. You could have Piga. Oh, they and I explain too.
As I've been.
I don't believe that. Girls who can't, you know, I don't Ajina Vamulama. Ajina Vamulamo. Mamma, managing the Kulama, who is Sasa Pai to Avamula. Alright, title one Satuma and Kafiji Rasti the Pune. Another young guy who is coming up. I mean, he's doing well. Yilamanda Buru being you that will approach you.
Manda team up and approach you.
Okay.
I think Sapashini live live concert.
Yeah, okay.
Trapunala program at the studio.
Okay.
Zamedaka, Umamanda Salute.
Oh, you must be a Umama social down while it's supposed to Arabian. Not coming up very late.
Now, Baraku introduce one and I can introduce us.
Yeah, that be me. Oh, there are movements. Australia, Yendi, Kanata, Kana, some Palani, so Rauma pam. So na could be mahali. So that thing can show man come around 1 day. So put by then most of you was that one most of you it's Makanya. I mean no one did to Ashama will any response but it was okay. Later on in the video I realized that you guys are doing very well. So keep it up, team management team you guys should keep pushing. Continue day and Chanshamia. So Saturday engineer only mele. Benzema mele. Benzema wale so. So why could be anyone Benzema you're going here so you go bien wonder. Liar. Okay, the Qatar, the Tiguaria. Big ups to you, Benzema. I mean, I've heard a couple of songs. Carriera Benzema produce a lot of songs. So big ups to you. Unfortunately, me no never meet our, me no never. But I'm always proud of it that if any guy, your vicinity doesn't define what you can do. So to you will be a while for that matter. Obum kum da be Maria. Land Daniel Kabdaya, let be a young this what you have in Dr. Fiza Mela Yelena Makabazol, South Africa. So wherever you are, I mean, Director Anna has been a young man video now. We are hearing 3 night channel member here. So wherever you are, don't let your location define your destination and change Thank you so much, Benzema. Engineer video director, director.
Yeah, director wise.
Director wise. Bangoka office. Okay, very well. That's nice one. Okay, so 1 minute ya day video ma TV day video ma kalamna we talk about the song katiyala about a concert na amal plan shanga for going forward maya. There's something chanka na kugoma on TV when I send food spices Lisi Tomato Mix Institute of African Art and Technology. Yes saya. Banabe RCKT mapula ka program ma ka kan na maya one-on-one katambal ngone artist so timi po hani yuri tama o yunu mo Stonesy one representing large and in charge. Yaba Kobori side Marco Yina ya overseas Yalamako Yina. I mean he's doing wonders. He's doing so much wonders and we need to engage him. We drop like you pala couple in the Satama. Kasatama Maka feature on the Rastia. To go and do the video ma just a few minutes kalamna T lamna. There's a good lot we're talking about the lamna.
It's Stonesy one overseas ruler. Women pass me your hasti. Isawa kong kurma. Ambu yurman sumbeni. Satma yaka tu uyulam. Padede nyama wutu mana. Baby girl Satma yaka be jealousy. Satma yaka be jealousy. Baby girl Satma yaka be jealousy. Satma yaka be jealousy. Dominyini yaka be indosi. Satma yaka be jealousy. Satma yaka be jealousy. Baby girl Satma yaka be jealousy. Do come in dos lanini. Pa come in dos lanini. Halba big pa in dos lanini. Satma yaka be jealousy. Baby girl Satma yaka be jealousy. Satma yaka be jealousy. Dominyini yaka be indosi. Satma yaka be jealousy. Satma yaka be jealousy. Baby girl Satma yaka be jealousy. Again and again. Puna papa Abu Salma ko kami. Baba Salma Baba did ya ko kan yandosi. Santuma Satma na karderba. Satma baye yankuma. Sweetie yankuma. Yam tabli ku warin yin kampi. Bashi wanda balmoti mana. No the malala no kuma. O fermo de no kuruma. O sasma baye bunun turuma. O di no ma de no turuma. De kon kuruma. Sweetie Fatima, mambol shel kam kunung tuma. Ilambi twang bay, imbol shel kam nyama yelin tuma. Stonesy one, marasti nyama tuitentenga. Ma pabu beni kapabe, iyulum beni kambe, ijil mozu kawumte. Pade de dam dille, idimbilu mama den luzam sam ye. Pade de dam dille, ye dimbilu mama den luzam sam ye. Dua sukiana ya kama, banina kishe muji rayuwa nache. Rayuwa ya Americans, rayuwa Nero, rayuwa reality. Rayuwa Hakim de Nandos, Rayuwa Bogas Waka, Rayuwa Ulude Kab jealousy, Kab indosi, Kab jealousy, Kab indosi. Baby girl Satma yaka be jealousy. Satma yaka be jealousy. Dominyini yaka be indosi. Satma yaka be jealousy. Satma yaka be jealousy. Baby girl Satma yaka be jealousy.
ya ka da feature ngone Rasti title ma nyala satama number 1 star now okay ya baka wa no ma ko pupa na ya overseas super ruler mbala ne bo pila yulbo no ruler ka da feature ngone Rasti pasi bi yarga ma mbala ma ya and of course man pu yara title ma nyala satama I'll come back and tell you I'm among the body yila ne ngoma and the to nyala shapuri ya ba big ups to you and the team ipang imam pam into me yila shela kama video ngoma it's crazy big ups ipang mangono ya I mean, it is not easy. It is not easy, but I can see that you guys are working. So, punka pa afans ma min atima na ko punka pa abapu kana wa have show.
Yeah, tere ku guaranga ku support Stones one. Big ups to everybody. Ya ku pang hindi kache fire bunga na besoro ba.
Aka.
Tena opile gwa.
Aka.
Speed ngana chena.
Oh, okay, ngoma joga man na ba.
Oh, joga na.
Trot man na lama.
Kabina.
Ma. Ite fata ngona na nga fara ten ko injia. Denya shambala ma. Okay, let's look at it chaka quickly na kunya artama la namba na mshalbu. Ite putila up in case abno borla la yila ngoma bana to pick namba shanga. Okay, 05061071997 number one available. Okay, very well. 05061071997. The party screen of Mazo, Yoma Kabi Kantana Kabo Rust, Stony Yilama, Stones one Yilama, I mean, just say hi, Kuno Jam was up and hi. Akuno hi, I mean, they will send you the song, they will send you the link to the video. Madina Abormana Amamango video ma, comfort of your phone, Kababo later, but to send a link matter anytime, Kabashia Abana to check it in later. I mean, Kaswaga, Castagaria, the Lemanya, I mean, quickly, first one man, social media. My you know what be YouTube, Facebook. You don't use it. Stonesy one. Facebook don't use it. Okay.
One WAN.
Oh, okay. Okay. One.
YouTube.
As in one. Okay. WAN. KONE. Stylish cool no stylish cool no. So that's very great. The Chanve Yalanga. And of course, the Lemanya. I mean, itima plan that imam show be imam concert before Katana kind of video mama on YouTube.
Yeah.
Show be concert.
Yeah, the plan the show.
Okay.
Antera iko na enye swela tima ka reveal kan tem fans ma ka chetra na wo te reveal ka.
Lao.
Yeah. Iko be overseas yigar account.
Okay.
Antera sip ma di.
Aba.
So wanya la ba setter up.
Allah biare. Special announcement bala. To bubble boile breaking news. Breaking news kat zanta na NT for so ma no Stonesy one fans ma sa Malaysia shiri na won something if you park on the set of match Mbalamabo set match day Mbalangoma Ghana independent and that deal Dabsel Shella no day music independent in something overseas Yalama Saha Stonesy in Zala breaking news Woma Zantia big ups the Chanfe Yalanga Pan we wait in Tungun and Yaladi man at the Pagadini and Chanshamia video ma Ayala with Wise Director Wise and Malamabu Yonki Rakumari
Ghana Hotel.
Ghana Hotel Kidama.
Ghana Hotel is a new studio.
Okay. In that interim, there are 20 years.
Oh, there are traveling straight around.
Okay, there are even here.
And team of Zarafu in Nkugadi maintenance.
Okay. Apart from Rasti, I mean artists no like no yile.
Ma artist so manga is home be Ubanabra Yabiton.
Okay.
Singer.
Okay.
Manga mas
okay. But then abiyina.
Collaborations in another.
No, la dana ma wona chele dana bi studio to mama aku chele di pala we chaba kan janka boy you system apulia yes so na chele nguna na satuma ma titom satuma puli okay na kusa son free food there for katita
baby girl satuma ye ka be jealousy satuma ya ka be jealousy
ala habiare
ya ka be indosi pa abu puni pa abu salama ku kami
wayo
Pab Salma, Pab Didi Ako kan yendosi, Zantuma Satuma na Carberva, Abu Satman Baye Yankuma, Suti Yankuma, Yabatavaliku, Borin Campi, Yamanin Campi, Mashi Wanda, Balmoti Mana, Balmoti Mana, no the Malala, Nunkuma, Kuruma, Sasman Baye, Venturuma, Abba, Duruma, the Kuruma. Siti Fatima, Mambo Kampuning Toma, Lambudo and by Imbur Shilikam Yama Yelitama, Stonesy one, my last in your to Chentinga, Mapa Benica Pabi, Ilum Benica, Vigil Mozuka Umte, Paddy Dambin,
Abba.
Zam.
All right. Zamusula Katusuhaka Goga, title of the song Manuela Satimaka, feature with a Rasti artist Mama Manga, or you know, bonus stories you want. Check it out on YouTube, check it out on Audiomack, check it out on whatever digital platform, Shelly, and to download it and you tell me money. But fans, man, didn't tell me any now something. If you go on the 7th of March, yes, independent day, Balama, but can I would a bigger concert, yeah. Stories one fans, Maza, Hannibal, Michel Gully, and of course, number no party screen Maza or Anto Sena High Tele, Cabasene Yamama Santa, then 05061 07197, Anto Joy the Zaha, and two people like Yelana Mama Sahanang by Yindi. Yes. Nsama kusorma kan karfo le kacheria yes ya hane tegi training base no man ya ba saha overseas yarma saha tempo ka pas ko kama saha nan ban yinde and of course na kutira yo so onye fancy ganam shuma Alhaji Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium one down concert ma den kana tuti nyanya de yen chance I'm sure ma igwane to kana ni go the tolo ki try apa ko agba yo big house you okay this a hane pena di man tinya de yen chance ya and of course ndo borma nyanya apart from ya ba yen to dompuna anon shows
Shows.
Okay, Yapulu.
Trache is in program.
Okay, Yapulu.
Sake overseas is.
Okay. So we'll end Yoruba.
Oh, crazy.
Trache on Fenya. Oh, okay. All right. Very well. There's a Hachan Fenya. All right. But Amal plans featuring come on one artist who come on like popular artist. So you the plans. But don't worry.
Don't go to track on the show song. At the studio.
So don't worry. Okay, that's very well. I mean, then Kakuma Nazam Pai as an artist, support your Anidra. I mean, Bokaku na Yale, Yapazahan, and of Iswich and Saha, Yalma, then Kakuma Nayaba.
Yeah, and Tera Naku Nakabara, then Akunya team, and just young boys who support them. Okay, the good need the support so comes as an little amount Shaki and Kumar and don't contribute. Okay, you know, the Bapu and Nubli and Pugari. So this one support them attention. So to go each and everyone, if the share support, link out into business.
All right, very well. But apart from team, I mean, Shapum Jan Katabra Sonda, look what on Anya, and to well by you are natural. Come on, Banku support that. To Mosia, be Shap, I mean, Larry to our
big house to a large danda.
A large danda.
We support Ricardo.
Wabia overseas, Alhaji Tanda, the Puya Papa, Alhaji, thank you so much, the Pulu Kapara. Okay,
Boga Babian,
okay.
Boga Nanyang,
okay.
Kache Sobeni AMG, Oma CEO Apollo, Black Rala,
okay.
Obanyana supported Karamaya.
Very well.
Big ups to each and everyone.
All right.
Botombu,
you are my own well, Halama, Uncle Assam, because the time up with yes, but just check it out, ma. Apart from Satuma, well, my Yelena Mata,
Tomashisha Hazel. Wanna Hazel go pay, mommy, wanna Hazel go pay, daddy, wanna Hazel go pay, friends, wanna Hazel go pay one day. I wanna kokari, amade biomana vaniara, Masurla Allah, no balgum walamo, Kauti, Arziki Sulkati Bombay, Tinunguna Marmi, I don't bol shell come Katitundai. Die. I got family to take care of. My wife, she didn't look for me. Kids too, they didn't look for me. Bless me and bless them too. Okay. Jaja, we are begging you.
You know what I
Jaja, we are
Hazel. Okay. Yes, that's a beautiful song. Okay, now Hazel, Akpama, Kumwan, Matuma, Kumwan, Manya, Jakumani, and Noshamia. Yes, and of course, Mapuya Yalmazaha, I mean, overseas Yalmazaha, North East region Yalmazaha. Big ups to you. I know the love is very deep there, very, very great there. Thank you so much for always holding me down. Nupuka Pamu comes a happy North East region Yalmazahan and Bayindi. Jurlum shall immalterma, support shall immalterma, in her NT Visa shall Kamaha, Ipambo to Puya Kapamia. Now, when the Abarkana EP Pune, EBP. Thank you so much. To pour the kapara once again. Promise you now on something if you're pagi. I mean, first January Belamabi. I still have plans coming to my Young Wise program. And don't can I'm sure Mammy level. Okay, so we all come to and support. Big ups to you, Young Wise and Yarmaza Hanang Bayindi. Once again, Tempu Kapa, no Kuyana Pumini for you know.
Okay,
okay, thank you so much. Okay, Bubalehabo, Afada, Mr. Dambo, Amadami, Marabi, Nama, Ami. Habiba.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. Mr. Habila, Yabama. Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Nitun Tomasa ha. Sahama besai. Tuk tu pon so kamaza Habiba. I'm very sure that imi ni bimba ngoma. Sahashel kabza hakutin your support. Opo kapari za hana bayede. Thank you so much as always. The puro kapara pam yuman kantanga mun katar ka badin chan program ma. And as always, in Zalazana katapuka pa production team ma. Bepang bang puno ka program ma kada chang fin yala ngama studio ma puno yala ngona Abigail MFA. Ngoni yakubi kamera na manya ka pang bang kada chan fin yala nga. Lala nyala ka Ahmed Kube MCR maya. Thank you so much Mr. Ahmed. The puya ka papam. Shahid yala mo be MCR Akrama. We're most grateful Shahid. General manager yala Mr. Enoch production team ma mun lead the takati channel ngoni Alfred Kojo Boatin, CEO of AKB Multimedia, representing for the channel program maya. The programs manager ngoni Robaye Abdul Waris. Thank you so much. Mapuya general manager yala Mr. Enoch kamu muipan mu patuso katuntongo katamalfu tabla katundu tuma anya ngoni Alhaji Chief Adam Kokura Balama no kamza hama nuto mo program ma pune harsha ka NTV kambale sa ana program ma rula ne friends ma za ha mpuya ka papa. Thank you so much. Marhaba yen nan dambi yesal maka bambo gar koga nutul ko tonso kan nusa per pangata ma ni kunjo shel kam ya san me yim ka satana ko ko da an ko man panga stosi 1 Muhammad Hafiz the trainer. We out. Bye bye. Salam.